Hey guys, it's your boy Queen Game TV here, and I'm kind of in a problem here. Yeah, so I was trying to do this idea. Can I break our handcuffs? And I think I can. I'll try. Comment down below. Am I going to be able to break out handcuffs? Comment down below. Okay, I don't know if y'all see a key, I don't know. I think y'all can see the key, but yeah, I'm gonna try to break out. So, the first attempt, try reaching the key. Oh God. Okay, the first plan failed. Trying for a second plan. Okay. And successfully, I got the key. Yep. So I'm gonna try to break out. Shoot. Key right here. Okay. Whoa, I'm free. Try to use that key. Well, guys, that was the first attempt. But this is how you, if you don't know really how to break out handcuffs, this another how. This another research. So this is the tutorial. So this is how you put the handcuffs in. So look, handcuffs like this. And if you're a noob like me, just saying, just try using this. And look, you're free. You don't gotta use a key on that. Just saying. But guys, that's the tutorial how to break out a handcuff. If you never seen me before, I'm on Queen Game TV too. So check out my other channel, Queen Game TV, and comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you later. Deuces.